Alright, working on getting our exhaust where we want it. We just got the clamps on here. They're not tightened, they're just kind of holding it, and don't worry, we'll orient them right when we're done. But we just got them on to hold shit together right now. So, trying to get our X located fairly centered with the output shaft. Come over here. Ow! Actually looking halfway decent there. I'm gonna take a straight edge and see what we got. But we're pretty close by eye. So our next mission is getting everything through here and then back into here. Fun, fun. Alright, so we took a break from the exhaust. We might actually have to send that whole thing out. We need some crazy mandrel bends and such, but we got it done to the X, so we're good there. Moving on, this carb, if you remember, I don't think I shot a video actually when we went to the dyno. We were going lean, really bad. So Wick got a hold of the legend himself, Sean Murphy at SMI, and Sean built us a new carb that's gonna do a lot better. So this carb's got to come off. So I'm going to pull this carb and put the one from Sean on there. And away we go. Right, here's our carb off. Here's the beauty from SMI. The only difference is the one from Sean does have an electric choke, which we'll have to run a wire for when we're wiring the car. Not a huge deal, but it looks incredible. All right. Next up, this carb over there. This little piggy ran out of fuel on the dyno. This little piggy got custom built by Sean Murphy at SMI. This little piggy gonna do all right. We handmade this hard line to look like the stock hard line. Alright, so everybody knows about our handmade OE appearing hard line. Ooh, pretty. World's shortest Dash 8 line. Got Dash 8s and Dash 6 on the return on the factory replacement stainless lines. Got a new Dash 6 on the return now. Alright, working on our return line. That end is done. This end is getting fitted right now with the cool tools to help us get in. That looking good.